Hello everyone, my name is Vishwa from Sapience Education. Now I will solve this quadratic equation by using middle term splitting technique. In order to use the middle term splitting technique, it's better if the quadratic equation is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. But the given quadratic equation is definitely not in that format. So let us convert the denominators. Let us try to bring the denominators to the numerators. So there are two terms and both the terms have different denominators. So we can take their LCM and we can add them, or in this case subtract them. So let us do that. X minus 7 must be multiplied with the first term. So x minus 7, and in the next term minus of x plus 4 divided by the product of these two terms, that is x plus 4 into x minus 7 is equal to 11 by 30. X minus 7 minus x, and then minus into 4 is minus 4 divided by x into x square, x into minus 7 minus 7x, 4 into x plus 4x, and 4 into minus 7, that's minus 28, is equal to 11 by 30. Now x minus x is 0 and minus 7 minus 4 is minus 11 divided by x square minus 7 plus 4x. So minus 7 plus 4 will be minus 3. So minus 3x minus 28 is equal to 11 by 30. Both LHS and RHS as the 11. So we can divide the entire equation with 11. So numerators will become 1 now. Now if we take both the denominators to the right hand side, the denominators must become the numerators. So let us do that. Minus 1 into 30. So minus 30 is equal to plus 1 into x square minus 3x minus 28. Now let us bring this into the general form. So for that we should take the constant term also to the right hand side. So this will be x square minus 3x minus 28, and we are taking minus 30 across the equal to symbol. So that will become plus 30 equal to 0. Okay, now minus 28 plus 30, that sum is plus 2. So the quadratic equation is x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation that we need to factorize by using middle term splitting technique. The middle term is minus 3. We should split it into two numbers such that the product of those two numbers is product of coefficient of x square, the constant. In this case 2 into 1, that is 2. So which two numbers will, will uh, give a sum of minus 3. So both the numbers must be negative numbers because the sum is a negative number, which means at least one is a negative number, but the product is positive number. Now that is possible only when we have two negative numbers. So minus into minus becomes plus, and the sum of those negative numbers is still a negative number. So the correct numbers for this question is minus 2 and minus 1. If we add them, we get minus 3. If we multiply them, we get plus 2. So let us split minus 3x into minus 2x and minus x. Now from the first two terms, we can take x common outside. So we will get x into x minus 2. And from the next two terms, we should take something common such that inside the bracket, we will have x minus 2. We have minus x plus 2. So we will take minus 1 outside. So that will change the sign of whatever that is inside. Minus x plus 2 becomes plus x minus 2 if we take minus 1 outside. Now x minus 2 is a common factor. So x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now two numbers are getting multiplied and the product is 0, which means either x minus 2 is equal to 0, which means x is equal to 2, or x minus 1 equal to 0, which means x is equal to 1. So the answer for this question is x value can be 2 or 1. 2 and 1 are the solutions for this quadratic equation. If you have any doubts in this question, feel free to discuss in the comment section below. Thank you.